friends, welcome back to the channel The Student's Diary. So today we have something new topic to discuss. Our topic is conjunctions. So in the last videos we have studied the other conjunctions. So today we have since and then, the use of since and then. So let us learn today how to use it in sentences correctly. So first let us start with since. What is since? Since has similar meaning with because. It has similar meaning with because. Since means because and because means since. So you can replace because with since. How? So let us clarify it with an example. Since he is poor, he is unhappy. So here we want to say that because the man is poor, therefore he is unhappy. Or we can also say that because he did not get chance to play, he cries. So instead of because, we can replace since. Since he did not get chance to play, he cries. So because has the same meaning or similar meaning with since. Now let us see another use of since. Since also means from that time till now. So something is started from a time and it's going on till now. So in that case we can use since. Let us discuss with an example. My uncle did not visit us since he went to Mumbai. So from the time when he went to Mumbai till now, he has not visited us. So the since means it replaces this long words. It's this group of words. It is replaced by since. So it is a phrase that is replaced by since. So we can also say that I have been playing since 8 o'clock in the morning. That means from 8 o'clock to till now I have been playing or I have been studying. So in order to denote the time duration of something, we use since. Thus we have examples of than. How do we use than in this sentence? Than means first of all it is used in comparison with. So when we want to compare something with the other thing, or something to be superior than other thing, or something is better than other thing. So in the two things we use the conjunction than. For example, we want to say that somebody is intelligent than another somebody else. So at that time how to use? That time we have used this conjunction called than. For example, we said that this market is superior than the cloth. That means we want to state that it is having more quality than this cloth. Or we say that Sneha is more intelligent than Neha. So that means in order to state or in order to make a comparison between two persons, we use the conjunction than. So that is in the first use. Now let us learn how to use than in another sense. Okay. So than means also immediately after this. Immediately after this. So when we want to state something that happens immediately, we say that no sooner had the doctor come than the patient died. That means no sooner than the doctor come than the patient died. It means that immediately after something, means just as the doctor reaches, the patient died here. Now let us see the third use of than. So here than means to take or better. For example, I would like to take coffee than tea. So here we wanted to say that I want to take something because it is better. Because I like it is better, therefore I wanted to take that. So in that case we ask then. So I would like to journey by train rather than bus. Why? Because I like journey better than this bus. I like to journey by train better than bus. Therefore I wanted to journey by train. That's what means to take. That means I would like to journey, or I would like to eat, or I would like to drink coffee than tea. That means I like coffee better than tea. So that means here than means better. When we want or when we feel something is better, that time we can use than. So these are the uses of some conjunctions, since and then. If you have any doubt, please comment to us and I will surely clarify you to doubt. So after that, keep watching and share the videos. Thank you.